Hi, welcome back. I saw this problem on Twitter the other day and thought I'd show you how I did it. This angle here is 90 degrees. This is a straight line, so this is 90 degrees here as well. That means that x plus 8 degrees plus 2x minus 8 degrees must equal 90 degrees. So x plus 8 plus 2x minus 8 equals 90. The 8's cancel, so we're left with 3x equals 90 degrees. Therefore x equals 30 degrees. We can also see that as these two blue lines are straight, then this angle and this angle are congruent. In other words, they're the same. And y is the angle we're looking for. Therefore y must equal 2x minus 8. So y equals 2x minus 8. Now we know that x is 30, therefore y equals 2 lots of 30 minus 8. Therefore y is 60 minus 8, which is 52 degrees. So this bit of information here was superfluous, not required at all. But for the record, if we wanted to, we could work out what this angle was. And that means we could also work out this angle here as well. But anyway, that's by the way. See you next time.